G'day everyone, I'm working on Mudabung Aussie. Well, today I'm going to do a Dhufish chowder. I was lucky enough to go out down south near Dunsborough off a boat and managed to get myself about a 14 kilo Dhufish. Now, waste not, want not, I keep everything, you know, the head, everything, make a soup, and I've also kept the wings, which you can make a variety of different things with, but today I've decided to make a chowder with the wings. So we'll go by the step-by-step process and all the ingredients I'm using to make a fresh Dhufish chowder. Cheers everyone. G'day everyone, welcome back. Now, got a lovely Dhufish chowder here. Plenty of seafood. It's just about a seafood stew. It's that thick. You know, you got the vegetables in there. You got some celery, carrots, onions, and potatoes. And we got the mussels there, squid, which is I've caught myself when I was down Dunsborough. Also, you got the fresh Dhufish. You got prawns as well, and there's some scallops in there also. Now, just a hint with doing the stock, just simmer it for 20 minutes. Because it's a fairly bit big, the wings, I'll put them in the pressure cooker, but just cook them for 20 minutes only, no more than that, because if you cook it longer it can make the stock a bit bitter. Now, after you've drained the stock, just give it a bit of a taste. If there's plenty of flavour there, that's good. If I think it's lacking a bit of flavour, just put it back on the stock only on the stove and reduce it by 20% or 50% till you get the flavour you want. Plus also when I cook the mussels, I put the juice of the mussels in with the soup. And like I say, just slightly thickened, a bit of cream, all the seafood in there and vegetables, one big hearty meal. And just give it a taste test. Oh, it's lovely, nice. Because you're using a nice fresh stock, you can't beat it. Nothing beats it. You know, there's plenty of the Dhufish flavour there, and like I say, you've got all the seafood and everything in there. It's a meal in itself, this Aussie Dhufish chowder. So give it a go. Just use your own, you know, get in the supermarket, buy some nice fresh fish fillets, some prawns, squid, and make your own chowder. Can't beat it. Can't beat lovely seafood like this. Cheers everyone for watching the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next video. Cheers everyone.